the civil aviation space continues to expand. The aviation traffic continues to go through the roof. In fact, our Hyderabad airport, led by GMR Group, is also on an expansion mode. And I'm hopeful that they will complete their terminal expansion by December. And I'm also hopeful the day is not too far, when Hyderabad will have to create additional terminals to cater to the growing passenger traffic. I was hoping that the Minister for Civil Aviation would be here, because he made a couple of promises that I wanted to remind him of. One of them is, of course, more direct flights to Europe and to the continent of United States. I think that's extremely important. A direct flight, Air France or maybe Air India flying directly into Paris would help Olivier, Jean-Paul and all of my friends here who have come all the way from France. And I'm sure, given an opportunity, they would skip Delhi and come directly to Hyderabad. I hope I'm right. To meet the increasing demand, we are of course planning to establish more aerospace and defense parks in the state, and we are also in discussions for establishing an aerospace university in partnership with the industry. Telangana today is the most vibrant and the happening aerospace valley in India. We have, of course, the best industrial policy in the form of TS IPAS with tailor-made incentives for mega projects. We have multiple world-class aerospace parks and SEZs adjacent to the outer ring road and airport. We also have large number of existing global aerospace OEMs into manufacturing and also into export. We have abundant skilled workforce and state advanced skilling partnerships. TASC, in partnership with Cranfield University, Aero Campus Aquitaine, Embry-Riddle Aeronautical Society, has been able to create a robust workforce which will continue to feed the aerospace and defense industry in Hyderabad and Telangana. More than 1,000 MSMEs are integrated into the aerospace and defense supply chains in Hyderabad. The focus on innovation, the focus on growing more and more innovative ideas, grooming more services and products from our state through T-Hub, T-Works, Research and Innovation Circle of Hyderabad, V-Hub, the Women Entrepreneurs Hub, all of these together will continue to keep the state in good stead in terms of providing quality resources to this industry. Top ranks by the state in ease of doing business, in cost effectiveness, in all social indices also continue to attract investments into aerospace and defense. The state of Telangana has consistently won the biennial Best State Award from Ministry of Civil Aviation, Government of India, for the most progressive outlook towards aerospace sector in 2018, 2020 and also in 2022. Hyderabad was also ranked #1 globally by FTA Aerospace Cities of Future rankings in cost effectiveness metric. To meet the increasing demand, as Olivier pointed out, the civil aviation space continues to expand. The aviation traffic continues to go through the roof.
Fly USA, UK, Canada, Australia, Dubai. Umrah packages. International and domestic ticketing and passport services approved by ITA. Supreme Air Travel Services, a trusted name in air travel services. Backside Hajj House. Contact 8855 556 786.